Hello, my name is Chef Meli, and today I'm going to teach you how to shape a croissant. So I've already made this dough. I already made the dough block and I made the butter block. I laminated it together, did all the folds, and now we are up to this part. So this is a perfectly cut croissant. I have 5 pieces here. So what I'm gonna do is I kind of pull it just a little bit, just so I get a little bit longer. And then what I'm gonna do is place it with the tip over here, and I'm going to roll it extremely gently. I don't wanna press it, I don't wanna smush it, I'm just rolling it. And when I roll it, it looks just like this. And when you roll a croissant properly, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bumps right there. And then I just place it like so. So I can do another. So again, I hold it just like so, like right here. Very gently. You don't want to, again, pull it so hard where the shape is becoming not a triangle. You just go. And with the tip, I always make sure the tip is on the bottom, just like so, and I press it a little flat, and there we go.
Does it matter how long it is?
It doesn't matter how long it is because you can have little mini croissants and everything. What you want to make sure is that you get the 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little slats, and then you want to make sure that it's not smushed. So it can be smaller.
Makes sense.
Yeah. So again. I can show you what not a croissant is.
That would be great.
So what some people think a croissant is when they do this, they'll take it, same steps, they'll do this, but they'll go another step further. And people, for some reason, start twisting it this way. That's not a classic croissant. This is a nice classic croissant. Not so great. So you want to keep the integrity of the layers and the product and be very mindful to respect the ingredients. It took a long time to get the butter to where I can work with it right now. So we want to make sure. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put them in the proofer. And how I do it, you don't ever want to put them very close together. You want to spread them out because they are going to grow double in size in the proofer. I'm going to proof them, egg wash them, bake them, and then I'm going to dip them in chocolate. So we have our croissants beautifully baked. Got all those beautiful layers that were laminated on it. Have some more. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dip it in chocolate. But this isn't just chocolate, this is called pâte glacée. So it's half melted chocolate, half oil. When you put it together, it creates a nice product where you can coat a cookie or a croissant. It's not gonna get that hard snap like a tempered chocolate would, but it gives you that nice soft mouthfeel and it sets up very nicely. So what I did also, I took it one step further and I honey roasted some peanuts. I chopped them up and then I put it in my pâte glacée. And then what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle a couple peanuts on top so the customer knows that there's peanuts in it. So there's a couple ways to do it. You can half dip. So I'll take this croissant and I'll dip it halfway. So this. Just like so, maybe a little bit more because who doesn't love chocolate? Just like so. So you can have a half croissant, which is beautiful. And then you can put maybe the peanuts on the edge like so, or you can just sprinkle them, whatever you want to do, however way you want. Sometimes you get a little foot, excess chocolate. I kind of just push it a little bit. Why not? Another way of doing it is that you can drizzle it, which everyone can really drizzle, but another really fun way, but it's kind of messy, which is more fun, is dipping it, hand dipping it. So the whole thing will get dipped. So I take my chocolate, my nuts, and I press it all the way down. I lift up. I kind of just let the excess nuts and chocolate get off. And I kind of do a cool little twist motion. And I put it like this. So it can get messy if you just dunk it all in. But you can get it nice. And then put a little peanuts on top. And when the chocolate sets up, you're going to see little chunks of nuts inside of, or on the outside of the chocolate. I can dip one more.
Yeah, dip one more.
All right, so I'll dip one more. Again, it goes all the way down. It's kind of like floating. The only thing I'm not getting is the bottom. And then I'm going to lift up. And I'm going to do this really cool twist motion. I like to have fun when I bake. And then I'm just going to put some just like so. And there you have it. So now, as you can see, we just dipped the one in half, and it's already setting up. So that's what's really nice about pâte à glacé. It sets up very fast. And that is all. Thank you.